You all, today let's see how to prepare another healthy drink which gives you a good relief from dry cough and cold. This can be done with the ingredients that are easily available in our home. Now let's get started. I have boiled 3 glasses of water. To this I am adding about 5 leaves of Karpuravalli or Omavalli, also known as the Indian borage. Few holy basil or tulasi, this is optional. This Omavalli leaves gives you a good relief from dry cough and cold and also treats nasal congestion. This holy basil leaves are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Now allow this mixture to boil well so that the leaves get boiled well and gets induced in the water. One small onion, a small piece of ginger, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, quarter teaspoon of peppercorns. Now let's coarsely crush them. Now as you can see, the water is boiling and the leaves are also boiled well. Now add this coarsely crushed mixture. If you don't like the flavor of ginger, then you can even grate the ginger and add it. Now allow this mixture to boil well. So for the taste of sweetness, I am adding palm sugar or panakarkandu. This also gives you a good relief from dry cough. Now allow this mixture to boil well. So now turn off the flame. Cover it with a lid and allow it to cool down a little bit. So now the water is lukewarm. Strain it off using a strainer. So extract the lemon juice from half of a lemon. So you have to make sure that the water is not very hot, otherwise the vitamin C will get evaporated. And also you have to consume this drink within half an hour you have prepared, otherwise the vitamin C gets evaporated. So a simple and easy home remedy to get relief from dry cough and cold that can be done with few simple and easy ingredients that are available in our home. So this can be given even to kids. Kids will like it as it contains sweet taste of the palm sugar. So try out this simple and easy home remedy and let us know your feedback. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thank you.